Think you know cryptocurrencies? Think again. What is a cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use encryption techniques to secure and verify transactions and control the creation of future cryptocurrencies. They operate independently of a central bank and are based on a decentralized, distributed ledger technology called blockchain. Cryptocurrencies are designed to be a medium of exchange and a store of value, just like traditional fiat currencies such as the US dollar, euro, or yen. Unlike fiat currencies, however, cryptocurrencies are not backed by a government or any physical commodity, and their value is determined by market supply and demand. Some popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. What is blockchain technology? Blockchain technology is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger technology that allows data to be stored, verified, and maintained across a network of computers or nodes. It is the underlying technology that powers cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but its potential applications go far beyond just digital currencies. The blockchain is a series of interconnected blocks, where each block contains a set of data or transactions, along with a cryptographic hash of the previous block in the chain. This creates an immutable and transparent ledger of all transactions that have ever occurred on the network, which cannot be altered or deleted without the consensus of the majority of the nodes in the network. Blockchain technology offers a number of benefits over traditional centralized databases, including increased security, transparency, efficiency, and decentralization. It eliminates the need for intermediaries and allows for peer-to-peer transactions, which can reduce costs and increase speed and efficiency. It has the potential to transform a wide range of industries, including finance, healthcare, supply chain management, and more. What is mining cryptocurrencies? Mining is the process of creating new units of a cryptocurrency by verifying transactions on the network and solving complex mathematical problems using specialized computer hardware. When a miner successfully verifies a block of transactions, they are rewarded with a certain amount of the cryptocurrency as an incentive for their work. Mining serves several purposes in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. First, it helps to secure the network by making it more difficult for a single entity to manipulate or alter the blockchain. Second, it creates new units of the cryptocurrency in a decentralized manner, ensuring that there is no central authority controlling the supply of the currency. Finally, it incentivizes users to participate in the network by providing them with a financial reward for their work. The mining process varies depending on the cryptocurrency and the consensus algorithm it uses. For example, Bitcoin uses a proof-of-work (POW) algorithm, which requires miners to compete to solve complex mathematical problems in order to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. Other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum are transitioning to a proof-of-stake (POS) algorithm, which rewards users for holding a certain amount of the cryptocurrency and participating in the network through staking. Mining can be a profitable venture for those with the necessary hardware and technical skills, but it also requires a significant investment in equipment and electricity. It is important to note that mining also has environmental implications, as it requires a lot of energy to power the mining hardware, leading to concerns about the carbon footprint of cryptocurrency mining. How is adoption of cryptocurrencies? The adoption of cryptocurrencies has been growing steadily over the past few years, with increasing numbers of individuals, businesses, and governments showing interest in this new asset class. Here are some key trends in cryptocurrency adoption. Individual adoption. More and more people are investing in and using cryptocurrencies for a variety of reasons, such as speculation, hedging against inflation, or as a means of payment. According to a survey by the University of Cambridge, the number of unique active users of cryptocurrency wallets increased from 35 million in 2018 to 101 million in 2020. Business adoption. A growing number of businesses are accepting cryptocurrencies as a form of payment, either directly or through third-party payment processors. Major companies such as Tesla, Microsoft, and PayPal have begun accepting cryptocurrencies as payment for their products or services. Institutional adoption. Large financial institutions and corporations are also beginning to enter the cryptocurrency market, with some investing in cryptocurrencies as a hedge against inflation or as a potential store of value. For example, in 2020, MicroStrategy invested $425 million in Bitcoin, and later increased its holdings to over $2 billion. Government adoption. Several governments around the world are exploring the use of digital currencies as a means of payment, with some even developing their own central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. For example, China has been testing its digital yuan since 2020, and the European Central Bank is currently exploring the feasibility of a digital euro. Despite these positive trends, there are still challenges to widespread adoption of cryptocurrencies, including regulatory uncertainty, scalability issues, and concerns about security and volatility. However, the growing adoption of cryptocurrencies suggests that they are here to stay and will continue to play a role in the global financial system. What is the security of cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are generally considered to be secure due to their use of cryptographic algorithms and decentralized, distributed ledger technology like blockchain. However, like any other digital asset, cryptocurrencies are not immune to security threats, and there have been several high-profile cases of cryptocurrency thefts and hacks in the past. Here are some of the security features that help to make cryptocurrencies secure. Cryptographic security. Cryptocurrencies use complex cryptographic algorithms to secure transactions and prevent unauthorized access to the network. This includes the use of public key cryptography to create and verify digital signatures, which are used to authenticate transactions on the blockchain. Decentralized network. Cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized network of nodes, which means that there is no single point of failure or control. This makes it difficult for attackers to manipulate the network or steal funds. Immutability. The blockchain ledger is immutable, meaning that once a transaction has been recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted without the consensus of the majority of nodes on the network. This helps to prevent fraud and double spending. Private key security. Cryptocurrency users hold private keys that are used to access and control their funds on the network. These keys should be kept secure and not shared with anyone, as anyone who has access to them can control the user's funds. However, despite these security features, there are still risks associated with cryptocurrencies. For example, users can be targeted by phishing attacks, malware, and other forms of cybercrime. Exchanges and other third-party service providers can also be vulnerable to hacking, resulting in the loss of user funds. To minimize these risks, it is important to practice good security hygiene, such as using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping software up to date. What is the future of cryptocurrencies? The future of cryptocurrencies is a topic of much debate and speculation, as this new asset class continues to evolve and mature. Here are some potential scenarios for the future of cryptocurrencies. Widespread adoption. Cryptocurrencies could continue to gain in popularity and see widespread adoption, with more businesses and individuals using them for payments and investments. This could lead to increased mainstream acceptance and integration with traditional financial systems. Regulatory challenges. Governments and regulatory bodies around the world are grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies, with some countries embracing them and others cracking down on their use. Increased regulation could impact the growth and adoption of cryptocurrencies, depending on the nature and scope of the regulations. Innovation and development. The cryptocurrency ecosystem is constantly evolving, with new technologies and applications being developed all the time. This could lead to new use cases and investment opportunities for cryptocurrencies, and drive further growth in the market. Environmental concerns. The energy-intensive nature of cryptocurrency mining has led to concerns about its environmental impact. In the future, there may be a push for more sustainable mining practices or a shift to alternative consensus mechanisms that are less energy-intensive. Overall, the future of cryptocurrencies is difficult to predict, but it is clear that they are here to stay and will continue to play a role in the global financial system. As the technology continues to evolve and mature, it is likely that we will see new use cases and applications emerge, as well as increased mainstream acceptance and adoption. In conclusion about cryptocurrencies. In conclusion, cryptocurrencies are a new asset class that is based on decentralized, distributed ledger technology like blockchain. They offer several potential benefits, including faster and cheaper transactions, increased privacy and security, and the potential for decentralized applications and use cases. However, cryptocurrencies also come with risks, including volatility, security concerns, and regulatory uncertainty. The adoption of cryptocurrencies has been growing steadily over the past few years, with more individuals, businesses, and governments showing interest in this new asset class. Despite challenges and obstacles, the future of cryptocurrencies is likely to involve continued innovation and development, increased adoption and integration with traditional financial systems, and potential regulatory changes. Overall, cryptocurrencies are a fascinating and rapidly evolving field, and it is important for investors and users to understand the opportunities and risks associated with this new asset class. As with any investment, it is important to do your research and invest wisely, taking into account your risk tolerance and financial goals.